Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston, Texas, and I'm aboard the exciting new 2020 320 Sundancer by Sea Ray. This boat's available in outboard and stern drive configurations. Today we're aboard the outboard model. It's available with twins or triples. We've got triple 250 Mercs on the back with joystick drive. Excellent package, 50 plus miles an hour. Do just about anything you want to do. Come on aboard and let's check it out. This boat is great for day cruising. Look at all the room you have on board. Even have an extra shade that extends in and out. Grill, fridge, great for outdoor entertaining. This boat's kind of a hybrid. We've got a really nice cabin down below, which we'll get to later, but we've also got an open bow. So this boat is something you can enjoy for doing just about anything. Come check out the bow. Really nice lounge seating in the front. We've widened the bow on the boat a little bit, so we've got a lot more room up here. This does have a cover to keep all your upholstery out of the sun if you want to. The side walkthrough is very unique, but we still have a door here for safety if need be. Now let's go check out the cabin down below. We've got a V-berth that converts to a dinette down here, and back in the back we've got a huge bed that can actually convert into twins. TV in the back, TV in the front, great place for the kids to hang out, or anybody else for that matter. Check out the nice head compartment, very well appointed, beautiful tile floor, vessel sink. This boat is awesome. Y'all need to come to check it out at MarineMax in Houston. My name's Paul. I'll be glad to help you.